Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get every free item that's not in like the dress room press area. So what I'm basically going to say is I will tell you in the description box all of the working codes. So unfortunately, some of them is expired, and some of the free items you needed to complete an advent calendar. If you missed even one day, you need to actually like purchase the item, not with the currency but with actual Robux. So if you go to codes, here are some of the free items that I got. Unfortunately, this one you cannot get anymore because it was like, I guess, an event. You can't get that anymore. You cannot get this anymore because it was only a 3-hour thing. And I don't know what else. I think this code or the other one is expired, like this one. But I will put down the description, like in the description box, like what you can get for free. I know some people don't want to spend their time collecting currency items, well, currency for items. These are the ones that need currency stuff. And for the brat item, you also needed to be there for the event. But most of these, like these are like advent calendars. This one's like the trendsetter. I don't remember what rank you need to get this one. But yeah, I will put it all in the description box down below, the codes that work for now. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.